Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel Moazama Batool. So students, do you often make grammar mistakes while speaking and writing English? Don't worry, because in this video we will fix the 10 most common grammar mistakes with easy explanation and especially useful for competitive exams and even daily use. So let's begin without any delay. Knowing about such grammar mistakes is very important for everyone, as avoiding grammar mistakes helps you speak and write more confidently in English. So let's fix the 10 most common errors explained in a very simple way in this video. So mistake number 1 is subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement is very common topic. According to subject, we always put a helping verb in the sentence. For example, if we write, he go to school daily, so it will be a wrong sentence. So correct sentence will be like this: he goes to school daily, because there he is the singular pronoun, and in present indefinite tense with singular subjects like he, she, it, we use s or es with verbs. So next mistake number 2, incorrect tense use. Tenses mistake is very common mistake. Sometimes students don't know where we use third form, where we use first form. So this mistake is very major mistake. For example, in wrong sentence, I am go to market. So let's correct it. I am going to the market, because use am is are plus ing in present continuous tense. This shows if we are doing something continuously, so we will use ing form with the verb. Next, mistake number 3, misusing articles, means a and an. She is a honest girl. This is totally wrong sentence. She is an honest girl. This is correct one, because we use n before vowel sound, not consonant sound, and their honest is starting vowel sound h. So that's why we use their n, not a. Next, mistake number 4, double negatives. Sentences which have two negative words in same sentence. So wrong sentence, I don't know nothing. So their double negative words have been used, don't and nothing. So correct sentence, I don't know anything. Only one negative word is used in a sentence. This is the rule. Mistake number 5, using wrong prepositions. Wrong sentence, she is good in English. Correct sentence, she is good at English. Remember this always. We always use at preposition with good. So it will be good at, not good in. Mistake number 6, confusing its versus its. Both its sound similar, but they have different meanings. First, its without an apostrophe is a possessive form that shows ownership. And second, its with an apostrophe is a contraction that means it is or it has. For example, if we write it's a nice day, so it will be totally wrong sentence. So correct sentence is it's a nice day. It's with apostrophe means it is a nice day. So it's without apostrophe will be possessive form, means for ownership. Mistake number 7, wrong word order in questions. If we write a question and it is in a wrong order, so probably it will not convey the complete meaning of the questions. For example, sentence, you are coming. It does not sound like a question. So the correct one is, are you coming? This is correct way to ask a question. In questions, helping verb comes first usually. So that's why helping verb are or something else will be written in the starting of the sentence or the question. Mistake number 8, wrong plural form. Sometimes there are some words which have another words for their plural. For example, child, teeth, foot, and many other words there are. In wrong sense, childs are playing. Their word childs is wrong, because this is not the plural word of child, as some plural are irregular, not made by adding s. Mistake number 9, incomplete comparison. If we are supposed to do comparison between two person, two things, so it is best to mention both things or both person in the sentence. For example, she is better. So this sentence is not conveying the full meaning, that with whom she is being compared. So correct sentence is, she is better than her sister. Comparisons need a second part, better than. Last, mistake number 10, redundant words. Redundant words means repeatedly used words which are usually useless for using in the sentence repeatedly. And redundant words are words that repeat a meaning or don't add any extra information to a sentence. And mostly they make sentences longer without making them clearer. For example, saying free gift is redundant because a gift is always free, so using word free is useless there, as there in wrong way. There is a sentence, he returned back home. There are two words used with same meaning, returned and back. Return already means back, no need to say it again. So correct sentence is he returned home. Don't use back after using return. So now let's quickly review the 10 grammar mistakes we covered in this video. First was subject verb agreement, which is very common to understand the structure of the sentence. Second one was tenses, articles, double negatives, preposition, its and its means with apostrophe or without apostrophe. Next, word order, irregular plurals, comparison, and last one was redundancy. So these were the topics in the mistakes which we covered in this video. So now viewers, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also tell me in the comments which grammar mistakes do you make most often. For more English learning videos with Urdu and English easy explanation, follow Moazama Batool. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.